Get out, Cain.
Make me.
I was only going to take one pill.
Only you had the whole lot with you.
I wasn't going to kill myself.
Well, you're just going to get off your face for a few hours. It's December, he's 2 months old. At least when you left him at the hospital, you gave him a fighting chance.
I thought junkies weren't worth your time. Isn't this the part where you wash your hands?
This isn't you.
Well, it is now. I found Holly's phone. I got in touch with Simon, her dealer. He even offered me heroin.
Why?
Because he's a scumbag.
Why are you doing this?
I lost my daughter. I lost you. I had a baby I wasn't ready for. I'm not sleeping. I got depressed.
No, this is bigger than that. Otherwise, you wouldn't have let those pills into this house. If you don't tell me, I can't help you.
I don't need your help.
I was there, remember? I found you. The day Emma died by the road.
Right.
If something happened, you can talk to me.
I passed out. That's all that happened.